keep drains clear with salt. If clogging is a repeat problem with your pipes, you can carry out this step intermittently to help better function. It works on drains in sinks, showers, and tubs. All you need is half a cup each of baking powder, salt, and vinegar, and a pint and a half of boiling water. Just before going to bed, to allow the solution to sit overnight, giving it more time to do what it's supposed to. Do the following. Pour the salt and the baking powder into the drain. Add the vinegar and let the mixture foam for roughly a minute. Flush with at least 3 pints of boiling water. The salt will help break down grease and emulsified fats so that they can be flushed through the pipes more easily by the vinegar and hot water.